guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adira Mensa, and if it's your first time here, thank you for stopping by. As you can see, I look kind of crazy, but this is a very impromptu video. I just finished blow drying my hair and I decided that I want to get rid of some of my dead ends. I'm going to give myself a trim or a mini cut to see how much we take off. But yeah, I'm not going to waste too much time for the intro. I'm just going to jump straight into the video.
Baby, come and share my world. If it's loving that you want, you can make me your man. If it's loving that you need, baby, come and share my world.
So my hair is sectioned because I just blow dried it, but I'm going to take it out of these sections and section it again so they're more uniform. Okay, so I think I'm going to part my hair down the middle. If I'm looking to the right, it's because I have a mirror here, so just using it to help me out. And then I'm going to split each of the halves into two. So, like so. So you can kind of see where my hair stops being full and then there's just some sparse ends. So those are the ends that I'm going to cut off. I'm going to start with as little as possible. Okay, I think I'm happy with that for now. This piece here looks a bit long, but I don't want to cut too much, so I'm going to leave it for now and finish this side. And then once I'm done with everything, I'll go back in like level it out. So for the front of my hair, I decided to split each side into two sections just to make it easier for me to cut and I can be more precise. It looks like I'm freestyling it, but I was using the back section as a gauge and I was trying to get it as close as possible. For the very front section, you'll see that I'm cutting at an angle. This is just to create some layers to frame my face. Now I'm just comparing the two sides to make sure they're kind of even, and then I go through the rest of my hair just to cut off any pieces that seem a bit too long. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The aim of this cut was not to get my hair perfectly even or blunt, but I just wanted to make sure that I was getting rid of as many dead ends as possible and any sparse pieces of my hair, just to give my hair a fuller and healthier look overall. Okay guys, so I'm done with the cut. I didn't cut that much off. I'll show you. This is all the hair that I cut off here. The reason why I cut my hair or I trimmed it is I haven't done so in a long time, and I was reading through some of my comments and someone had said, oh, you should trim your hair every 6 months or so just to make sure it grows healthier. And I was like, that's actually so true, because there's no point holding on to dead ends all in the name of having long hair when they're just making the rest of your hair unhealthy. So I think it's going to have a huge impact on how my hair grows going forward, and I'm going to try to trim my hair regularly and hopefully that helps. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you guys in my next one.